Okay, how do you connect your Google account to Make? And more specifically, how do you um, select your Google Sheets that you want to work with? When you're logging in Make, go to Scenarios, create new scenario. And here in the module section, you can see Google Sheets. If you don't see it, just type it down here and it will appear. Now let's say we need to watch a sheet, watch when new rows are added to a specific sheet. It doesn't really matter which Google Sheet module you choose. The first thing it will ask you is to create a connection. You just click create a connection. Give it a name. You can just leave it as my Google connection. And you don't really need to do any client IDs or secrets here. You can go ahead and just click sign in with Google. And here it will ask you to choose the right Google account and give permissions to Make. Yes, we trust Make. And now we're ready, and the next thing we need to do is actually find the spreadsheet that we want to work with. You can easily find it here in the drop-down menu or type it. And yeah, that's basically it. You're ready to go.